Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. So I have a super cute look for you all today. Today we are going to figure out how to do a natural, sleek ponytail on our natural hair, alright? So make sure that you all stay tuned so you all know exactly how to achieve this hairstyle. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do first is just create a side part. I'm going to create somewhat of a curved side part. Whatever you do, just make sure that is how you would want your ponytail to lay. From here, I'm going to begin to apply some of my Gorilla Snot. I do use the word some loosely because y'all, I need it a lot. But anyway, we're just going to apply our hair gel and make sure that our hair is secured in a nice and sleek ponytail. Y'all, I had to pull out all of the brushes, okay? Once that is complete, all we're gonna do is wrap our hair so you all know the drill. For added protection, I'm just gonna wrap a rubber band around my scarf and my ponytail to make sure that everything is laid nice and smoothly. Once that is complete, I'm going to make one braided single ponytail. I encourage you to make your ponytail as small and as thin as possible, alright? So I'm going to try to accomplish this by using some of my Eco Styling Gel. Alright y'all, so now it is time for our dry time. Now let's see what we got. Ooh, alright y'all, so we making some progress. I am pleased and surprised, as you all can tell. Alright y'all, so it's now time to make our ponytail. So what I'm going to do first is just begin to unravel my track. Alright, so it's not a ponytail yet, but we're going to make it into one. To start our ponytail, we're just going to take the very end of our track and apply it in the mid to lower section of our ponytail, alright? So I'm just going to bobby pin that in. From there, I'm just going to begin to wrap slowly up my ponytail until I get to the very top, and then I'm just going to continue to wrap it. And then from there, I'm just going to secure it with a bobby pin. And just like that, ladies, we are 90% done. But check us out, y'all. This is cute. All right, so we just have one more thing to do. So now we're going to create a little bit of a closure for our ponytail, okay? So I'm going to take a few strands from the bottom section of our ponytail, and I'm just going to wrap them around the very top of our ponytail. Once I am done wrapping it, I'm just going to close it off with a bobby pin, and that's it, y'all. We are done. Wait, maybe not quite. Now we're done. So I hope you all have enjoyed this look. I'm super excited. I'm feeling it. I love it. And I can't wait to see what you all think. But here's the final product. Look at those waves. Your girl is dipping. All right, let me stop. Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in as always. All right, y'all. So I got a little finished ponytail look, okay? I'm really impressed. I'm really kind of shocked with this Gorilla Snot gel. I'm really here for it. I think one thing that would have made this whole look a lot easier is if I would have straightened my hair, especially around the crown. I see a lot of stylists do that. However, y'all, I haven't used a flat iron in years, and it's not something that I miss or I even want to use. I think if I ever do this look again, I'm gonna get some wavier or curlier, like looser curls for my ponytail, but it's a little long for me, so I think I'll just keep it on my shoulder like it is now and rock this look. But overall, I like this look and I think it is something that I would definitely try again. So y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I will catch you all really soon. Bye.